So now let's see how we can work around with camera view and clip effect inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So to do that, I'm going to go around under effects right here, and I'm going to expand out the time, and here you can see that transform is an option. So if I were to go around and click right here, then you can see that there's many transform options right here, and one of them is camera view. So if I were to go around and click and drag this out over here, then you can see that I can change around the camera view. Like I can change around the longitude right here, the latitude over here, and you can see that I can change around and make it seem as if it is moving in a 3D object. You can go around, roll it out right here, and change around the focal length over here, just like this as well, to make it more tilted, as you can see right here. You can work around with the distance over here as well for the object, and you can work around with the zoom over here just like this as well. And for the background, you can go around and choose around the fill color, as you can see just like this. And that is how you can work around with the camera view effect right here. Let me just go around and delete it, and then go to effects right here just like this. And apart from that, you can see that clip is an option as well. So if I were to go around and go for a clip right here, then you can see that I'm simply cropping everything out. So you can go around, clip it to the top right here just like this, and you can clip it to the right, as you can see right here just like this, and get the clipping option as you like. You can go around onto fill color right here and select outer color, and background gets filled accordingly just like that as well. And that is how you can work around with camera view and clip effect inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.